Hello, good morning students. Today we are studying chapter number 6, trigonometry. In this trigonometry, today we are studying the cosec, sec and cot ratios. These three ratios are relating to right angle triangles. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and angle B is a right angle. Let the measure of angle C is theta. Therefore, let angle C is equal to theta. Now we are finding or studying the cosec ratios, sec ratios and cot ratios. In right angle triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree, let C is equal to theta and sin theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta divided by hypotenuse. This is sin ratio. Therefore, from this figure, sin theta is equal to AB by AC. We will give the equation number 1. Now, cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. This is very important. The cosec theta means cosec ratio is the multiplicative inverse of sin ratio. Therefore, cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now, what is multiplicative inverse? Suppose 3 upon 4. This is a fraction. So, what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 4? 4 upon 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 4. And when we multiply each other, their product will be 1. 3 upon 4 into 4 by 3 is equal to 3 cancel, 4 cancel is equal to 1. Like this. Sin theta means sin theta divided by 1. So, multiplicative inverse of sin theta by 1 will be 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now, we will put the values of sin theta from equation number 1. Therefore, 1 upon AB by AC. Now, 1 into AC by AB. Here, 1 upon AB by AC. So, 1 into reciprocal of AB by AC equal to AC by AB. Therefore, AC upon AB. So, cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by side opposite to angle theta. According to formula, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta. Now we will give number 2 for this equation. Sin theta into cosec theta. They are multiplication inverse of each other. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta. Value of cosec theta is equal to AB upon AC from 1, and value of cosec theta is equal to AC by AB from 2, from 1 and 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta is equal to cosec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Second, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. This is the relation between sin theta and cosec theta. What is the relation in sin theta and cosec theta? So sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, and product of sin theta and cos theta, cosec theta is equal to 1. So important is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now we will see the sec theta. We will use the same figure, same right angle triangle. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta. We are using angle theta of given right angle triangle ABC. So BC is the adjacent side of angle theta, and this is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse. So adjacent side of angle theta is equal to BC. BC upon AC. Therefore, cos theta is equal to BC upon AC. This is number 3. Now, cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Sec theta is the multiplicative inverse of the cos theta, and cot theta is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Now, cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Sec theta is the multiplicative inverse of cos theta. Now, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is equal to BC by 1, BC by AC from 1. Therefore, sec theta is equal to AC by BC. Therefore, sec theta, this is number 4. AC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. divided by BC is the adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta. Now, cos theta into sec theta. We will find the product of cos theta and sec theta. Value of cos theta is equal to BC by AC from 3 into value of sec theta is AC by BC from 3 and 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Now, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. These are the relation between cos theta and sec theta. What is the relation between cos theta and sec theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and the product of cos theta and sec theta is 1. Now, we see the relation between cot theta and tan theta and product of cos theta and tan theta. From this figure, this is the angle theta and this is triangle, right angle triangle ABC. So, tan theta is equal to, this is angle theta. So, tan theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Side of opposite to angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. This is the formula. Therefore, AB by BC therefore tan theta is equal to AB by BC. This is number 5. Now, cot theta is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. So, cot theta is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now, tan theta is equal to AB by BC from equation number 5th. Now, therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 divided by BC by AB. Therefore, BC by AB. Therefore, cot theta, BC is the adjacent side of angle theta divided by side opposite to angle theta. This is equation number 6. Now, we see the product of tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to, so tan theta is equal to AB by BC into cot theta is equal to BC by AB from 5 and 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. This is the relation between cot theta and tan theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So, we have seen the relation between sin theta and cosec theta, cos theta and sec theta, tan theta and cot theta. We can write here C also. So, tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A, or cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Like this, there are 6 formulas, and these are very important formulae. These are the relation between tan ratio and cot ratio, sin ratio and cosec ratio, and sec ratio and cos ratio. So students, if you are satisfied, please subscribe the channel Gnandev Academy, like it and share it also. Okay. Cosec, sec and cot ratios. This is our topic. This topic is over. Okay. Thank you.